Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Bible Cupping. We're going to demo today on my assistant here. Now, what is dynamic cupping? Dynamic cupping is working the motions as you have the cups on you. We're going to place the cups on him and he's going to work some motions that he feels pain in the body. First thing we always do is we put coconut oil on the person's body. This is the one I typically use. We're going to put it on our hands, then we're going to lather up the body everywhere we're going to apply the cups to. All right, next thing is grab your cupping torch, light it on fire, and make sure you have adequate flame. And then now we're gonna apply the cups. Notice I'm doing this while he's standing up. That way he doesn't have to lay on a massage table and then stand back up. He's already standing in a comfortable position to begin dynamic cupping, also known as active cupping, basically working the motions. All right, now we're gonna have my assistant do deadlifts with the body, basically also called like good morning. So you're gonna go down, remaining deadlift style. All right, next we're gonna move the cups while he's in the down position. This also works if he's already up, but I like them better in the down position of the movement when I move it. So we're gonna glide it. We're kind of getting a little lower into the body. Now you can also do cupping straight on the glutes. It's very helpful. For video purposes, I will neglect that part. And then if you accidentally take a cup off, don't worry about it. Oh. All right, next we're gonna do the squatting position. You could begin, as you can see, if you feel pain in the squatting position, this is a great alternative. There we go. Another thing you can do is bend over. You can adjust it as you need to. And then have them hit different angles. Go ahead and begin the squat again. Thank you for checking out this channel.
Whew, I'm getting winded.
You got your workout on for today.
I wasn't planning on exercising at all.